Hello everyone. I will come here to my channel today. I'm going to show you how we can easily create table and how we can easily write simple queries to fetch data from your table. So I am going to show you all of that in Microsoft SQL Server 2019. So in my previous videos, I've already shown you how you can easily install SQL Server Management Studio as well. So I am going to launch that SQL Server Management Studio. So I'll just simply go to search and I'll just simply search over here SSMs. And this will show you SQL Server Management Studio version 19. So I'm going to just simply open our SQL Server. So our SQL Server Management Studio is currently launching. And you can see our SQL Server Management Studio is ready to launch. So this is our server names, and I'm going to use SQL Server Authentication only. So input login name and password, I'm going to click on connect, and there you go. You can see it is rightly connected with a SQL server on my local computer. I write a simple create table statement to create a table. So create table employee, and I'm going to give 5 column, so employee ID end, and I'm going to give another column as last name and first name end and address end, and city, let's say, with the empid column is of type int, and will hold an integer end. And the last name, first name, address, and city columns are of type varchar, and will hold characters, and the maximum length for these fields is 255 characters. So I'm just going to execute this statement, and there you go. You can see command executed successfully. So now I'm going to insert a couple of values in the table. So insert into employee insert value in this table. The insert into statement is used to insert new records in a table. It is possible to write the insert into statement in 2 ways. Syntax. The first way specifies both the column names and the values to be inserted. If you're adding values for all the columns of the table, then no need to specify the column names in the SQL query. However, make sure that the order of the values is in the same order as the columns in the table. Example: insert value in a first way. The column names are used here. insert value in a second way. Select statement in SQL. The select statement is used to select data from a database. The data returned is stored in a result table called the result set. Here, column 1, column 2 are the field names of the table you want to select from the data. If you want to select all the fields available in the table, use the following syntax. If the above query is executed, then all record is displayed. Update table. The update statement is used to modify the existing records in a table. Syntax example. If the above query is executed, then for empid, =1, first name and city column data will be updated. Update multiple rows. It is the where clause that determines how many records will be updated. Delete statement in SQL. The delete statement is used to delete existing records in a table for a particular record. Syntax example. In employee table, empid =1 record gets deleted. Delete all records. It is possible to delete all rows in a table without deleting the table. This means that the table structure, attributes, and indexes will be intact. So that's basically all about this video. In my next video, I am going to show you about primary keys and foreign keys. Subscribe our channel. That will help me to make more search videos. So thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.